In this video, I'll make a short tier list of the Deadlock heroes from what I've seen and compared with the win rates. Now, let's start off with Abrams. I would probably put him around in a B. He's solid, and yeah, there's not really much more to him. Then let's say, I would put him in a C or B. Any of these two. Let's put him in C for now. And let's see, Dynamo. I think he's really, really bad. I mean, in lower elos, he's fine, but I would put him in a D. Same goes for Great Talon. Both of these are beginner friendly, so they're fine if you're new, but in high elos, these are not the best. Now, Haze is either S or A tier. She's really strong. I'll put her in the S for now. And then let's see, Infernus, also D or C. He requires a lot of skill, and he's not, I mean, if you're good at him, he's quite useful, but too high skill gap, in my opinion. I'll put him in C for now. Ivy, I like Ivy. He's okay. Pretty strong if you have a duo. Let's put him in the B. Now, for Kelvin, he's decent. I like him. He's pretty strong. So let's put him in A. He's also an A. Obviously, this list is if you actually know how to play. Let's do Lash. He's decent. I think he's pretty strong for the 1v1s. I wouldn't put him above B though. Guinness, A for sure. She's really strong. Might even... let's keep her in A. She's really strong. No, and Krill. Also not too bad, actually. I'll put him in the B as well. Paradox. I like Paradox. However, I don't think he's in the best state right now. So I'd put him in D. Pocket. Pocket is okay. I'll put him in C tier for now. 7 is, in my opinion, the strongest right now. Also, if you check on the win rates, I'm pretty sure he has the highest win rate right now. So I would put him in S tier for sure. Shiv. Not the greatest. In C probably here. Vindicta. Really not good. I don't like her. I think she's really complicated to play. I'd put her in D tier. I'm also pretty sure she has one of the lowest win rates so far. Okay. C tier. Warden. Warden is really strong. I'll put him in S tier for sure. Wraith. B tier. And Yamato. Another C tier. I think this is pretty decent. I think this is how it is right now. And yeah, that's about it, guys. If you really wanna play and win a lot of games, I suggest you play any of these 6 heroes right here. Obviously, if you're a beginner, doesn't really matter what you play. You can play the D tiers. Doesn't really have a big impact in the low elo games. But as you get against stronger people, I suggest playing these or these. And that's about it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.